How to download all files at once from Google Drive. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download all files at once from Google Drive. And without further ado, let's go into our Google Drive right here. Open our Google Chrome. Click on this 9 dots right here. Select Google Drive. If you have a large collection of files stored in your Google Drive and want to download all of them in one go, we have a solution for you. Instead of manually downloading each file individually, we have to go to this part right here. So let's click on this part right here. So this is the files that we want to download. So think of it as this is the file that we have to download. And if you have to download this one, just click on settings right here. Let's look for an option. So let's just Control A, click Control A. So now all the files are highlighted, and then once all the files are highlighted, all the applications inside this or files that you want to download inside the folder is right here. So as you can see, there are lots of files inside this folder, these 3 folders right here. So if you want to download this one, you have to click on one part, click on Control A, and then hit on download right here. So all of this part or these files are now downloading via zip file right here. You can now extract it once you've downloaded it on your PC, and now it's all downloading. So I want to cancel this for now. Cancel the download because I don't want my file or my storage to be all bombarded. And that's how you create it. That's the first step. Click on this one, Control A, hit on download, and all the files here will be downloaded all together, not manually but all together right here. You can download them all at the same time. Also, you can get the drive for your desktop right here in order for you to get this to your desktop. And let's just wait for this one. You can also download drive from it for your desktop right here, as you can see. And it's now on your PC once you downloaded all of this. And that's it, guys, on how to download all files at once from Google Play or Google Drive. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently download all your files from Google Drive in one go. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and time-saving. If you did, please guys, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just ask and feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget, I will catch you and we will see you on the next video.